Right now, your body is perfectly alive. But what if, in the next 10 seconds, everything stopped? What actually happens inside your body the moment you die? The moment your heart stops, oxygen stops flowing through your body. And your brain, the most energy-hungry organ you have, is the first to feel it. Even though it only makes up about 2% of your body weight, your brain uses nearly 20% of your oxygen. So when that supply suddenly disappears, things start shutting down fast. Within seconds, your vision begins to fade. Sounds become distorted, like you're underwater. Your body is still there, but your awareness is slipping. Some people who've been revived after clinical death describe something strange: flashes of memories or moments from their life playing back. After around 20 seconds, you lose consciousness completely, but your brain isn't fully gone yet. For a short time, neurons continue firing, sending out electrical signals in a last burst of activity. Scientists believe this could create a dreamlike state where the brain is still generating experiences even as it's shutting down. There's also a controversial idea that the brain may release a chemical called DMT during this process, a substance known for producing intense, vivid hallucinations. But here's the truth: we still don't fully understand what happens in these final moments of awareness. Wait, before we go further, if this already gave you chills, hit like and subscribe, because what happens next is where things get really unsettling. After 3 to 5 minutes without oxygen, the damage becomes permanent. Brain cells begin to die, one by one. And unlike many other cells in your body, neurons don't regenerate. This is the critical window where CPR can still save a life. Every second matters, because once too many brain cells are gone, recovery becomes impossible. At the same time, your body begins to change. Without circulation, heat is no longer distributed, and your body slowly starts to cool. Hours later, your body enters a completely new phase. First comes rigor mortis, where your muscles stiffen and lock into place. This happens because your cells can no longer produce the energy needed to relax muscle fibers. Then comes livor mortis, as gravity pulls your blood downward, causing parts of your skin to darken or change color. And all the while, your body continues to lose heat, slowly matching the temperature of its surroundings. Days later, something even more unsettling begins. The bacteria that once helped keep you alive now start breaking your body down from the inside. Without your immune system to control them, they multiply rapidly, digesting tissues and releasing gases in the process. This can cause the body to swell and change in ways that feel almost unreal. But this isn't something unnatural. It's simply biology continuing its process. But here's the strangest part. Your body may die, but the atoms that make you don't. Every atom in your body was created billions of years ago inside exploding stars, long before Earth even existed. And after you're gone, those same atoms will return to the universe to become something new. So, in a way, death isn't an ending, it's a transformation. So next time you think about death, remember this: you don't disappear. You become part of something bigger. Stay curious.